We bought this mountain and 160 acres off-grid and built a homestead that makes $30K per month using none of our own money. Here's how. 2 years ago, we were broke and $40K in credit card debt. We couldn't afford a home in the city, and the world was going a little crazy. So we made a plan and found over 10 creative ways to raise funds, which I'll list here. We bought 160 acres and our own mountain in 3 months, and created multiple income streams on the land so that it could cover its own building costs in only 6 months. We set up solar power, we drilled a well, and built guest stays, a retreat center, community, and are building a regenerative farm to feed us all. It hasn't been easy and it's not for everyone, but we want to share everything we've learned. Now we've helped over 2,000 people do this with our programs, workshops, and personal help. I made a full how we did it video for you. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, but it's a little too long for TikTok, so check it out at the link.